Hello, and welcome to this training session. To begin with, we will understand why Asset Locator is important with an RFID application. The Asset Locator feature in an RFID application is crucial for enhancing efficiency and accuracy in finding assets, providing real-time tracking and maintaining accurate inventory records. It saves time and costs, improves security, enhances workflows, and scales with business growth, making it essential for effective asset management. In this video, I will demonstrate the Asset Locator module in the RFID application, which you can use to locate any asset in your warehouse, facility, or any location. To begin, navigate to the Asset Locator module in the RFID application and enter the serial number or product SKU of the asset. You can also scan the QR code or barcode of the asset. Scanning the asset's barcode or QR code will validate the asset and automatically populate its RFID. Next, you need to move the handheld scanner, which will beep if the asset is nearby. This allows you to locate any asset using the handheld RFID scanner and the RFID application. If you want to reset all the data, simply click on the Reset button. This is how you can effectively use the Asset Locator module. Thank you for watching this training session. We hope this guide helps you efficiently use the Asset Locator feature in our RFID application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Have a great day.